Welcome to Updawg-Yoga. My name is Emily. I'm going to guide you through this Mandala Yoga practice. And what Mandala means is we're going to use all sides of the mat. So we'll spin around and then do the same thing on the other side. And the yoga flow part means just that you move with your breath. So stay mindful of your breath. And let's get started standing. So you can stand on your mat, step your right foot forward, lean forward, and then bring your hands to your mat in standing splits. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, bend your right knee and tap the back of your right knee with your left knee. So curl it in. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, tap the back of your knee. Try it one more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, tap your knee. This time sit down onto your sit bones. So shift your left knee to the right side. Bring your left sit bone down and come into half fish. So cross your right leg over your left leg, sit up tall, make sure your right sit bone is grounded, and hug your knee. With every inhale, sit up taller. Exhale, twist a little more and look over your shoulder. You can also hook your elbow and press. One more time. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist. Look over your shoulder. This time, come back to center and into wide forward fold. So twist to your left side. Bring your hands down, lift your hips up, bring your feet wide. Relax your head and neck. Hang here, pull the crown of your head down. And then inhale, halfway lift. Bend your knees, come up to a flat back. Exhale, low lunge. Pivot to the left side, so towards the back of your mat. So your left foot is straight ahead. Extend through the crown of your head, lower to your right knee. You can stay here, or I prefer, it's called a runner's lunge. Take your right foot all the way to the edge of your mat, maybe even off your mat, so your hands can go to the inside. Or again, your forearms can come down. And last option, you can press your left hand into your left leg, lean back into this stretch. Take another breath here. And then press up to your plank. So plant your palms, tuck your right toes at your right knee, left foot meets your right foot, come into side plank. Right hand is your foundation. Stack your feet, lift your hips up, press the floor away. So breathe here, hold for 3, back to low lunge in 2, and once your left foot swings forward, left hand down. All right, and then from here, forward fold. Step your right foot to meet your left foot, hands to your hips, inhale, lift all the way up. So we're gonna try it again, spin to the other side. This time, step your left foot forward, come into standing splits, bring your hands down, float your right leg in the air. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, Shiva tap. Tap the back of your left knee with your right knee. Try it again, inhale, lift. Exhale, tap. One more time, inhale, lift. Exhale, tap. Now here, go into your half fish. Shift to your right sit bone. Come into your twist. So cross your left leg over your right leg. It's a little confusing. Just do the best you can. And twist towards your inner thigh. So either hug your leg or hook your elbow and twist. Make sure your left sit bone is grounded. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, gently twist, look over your shoulder. So with every inhale, sit up taller. Exhale, twist a little more. One more time. And then untwist, come back to center and into wide forward fold. Bring your hands down, lift your hips up. So your big toes are in one line. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold a little bit deeper. This time, interlace your hands behind your back. Relax your head and neck. Maybe squeeze your shoulder blades together. Rock your shoulders side to side. And then we'll come out of this. Bring your hands down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge. This time, turn to the right side, so towards your right foot. Bring your right foot straight ahead. Send your left foot back. Find a lunge. And then lower to your left knee. Come into your runner's lunge. Walk your right foot to the edge of your mat. Bring your hands to the inside of your right foot. And you can take whatever shape you took on the other side. So you can stand your hands. You can also lower to your forearms. Or press your right hand into your right leg. Lean back into your stretch. I love this stretch. It's such a great stretch. And then to come out of it, press up to your hands. Tuck your left toes, lift your left knee. Inhale, plank. So right foot meets your left foot. Exhale, side plank to the right side. So your left hand stays down, flip your right arm up. Stack your feet, push the floor away, hold and breathe. Shaking is good here, it means you're working. And then when you're ready, inhale, exhale, low lunge. Right foot steps forward again. Okay. This time, look forward, and then forward fold. Step your left foot to meet your right foot. Hands to your hips, bend your knees. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, release. Feel free to try it again.